Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about CSS gradients. So let's see what is it. Let me give the title as a linear gradient. Okay, so let me run this particular program, then we'll be able to see if this is working or not. Yes, this is working. I'm getting the title over there in the website. So we'll start by the body tag, and inside the body tag I will mention the div. Okay, so the div element I will start with. So inside that, first you have to mention the div, and then we will see what all the things I need to put to understand the gradient, linear gradient here. So inside the style, I will just write the div. Okay. So after writing the div, I will start styling the linear. Okay. So first I am going to write background. Yeah. So background color. Yeah. Background color, and inside that I will write linear. So first you have to mention the linear gradient. So let me first write the background image. So we'll start by the background image and we'll make the changes in the background image. So inside the background image, I will write linear gradient, and the syntax is direction, color stop 1, color stop 2. So I will write the red and blue. This is the gradient I want. And what is the width? I will mention the width should be of anything, for example 300 pixel I will add. Okay, so I have mentioned these things. Now let me see. I'm not getting anything because I have not added the image. I have just added the shade here. So let me write something over there, then we'll see if I am going to get any text over there or not. So I will just break here and break, and then I will add the linear gradient is there. So yeah, now see, I have got all the gradients here. So that is how you can add the different kind of linear gradients by using the two different shades over there. So this is one of the example how can you use it. There are many direction you can also use inside the linear gradient. So linear gradient will be of many direction, from left to right or right to left, anything. So this is the how can you add it. This is the syntax how can you add it. The first one you should add the direction, then color 1 and color 2. That is how you should write it inside the linear gradient. So the second one, the one I have mentioned, I have not added the direction. That is why we are getting it in normal way. So you should add the direction, then you will be able to get it properly. Okay. So now I have mentioned the linear gradient like this. Fine. I have mentioned as a comment. Now let me give you one more example. Fine. So here I will write div and its id you can give anything. I will write div2, and then inside the div2 I will mention the different kind of linear gradient. So first I have to add the id name, and inside the id name I will just write okay, so background image linear gradient, and for as the according to the syntax we have to add the direction first. So I will add the direction to right, left, and then I will add the color name yellow, and any other color name if you want to. So let me see. Yeah, so now on screen you can see that I got from to right to left the shades. Okay, you can also help by doing the one color, because I have already mentioned the two colors over there. So that is why I'm getting the two color over there. So one error is available. Let me just make it proper. Let me write the bottom, right, left. Let me remove this one. Okay, I will write red. Yeah. So now let me get it. Let me run this code, and then now on screen you can see that. See, that is how you can change it. These are the I wrote the bottom and left, so it is coming in that form. So that is how you can create the different kind of linear gradients. You can add the two color and you can also add the directions over there, so it will be able to do that. Okay, so this is the another way how to do the linear gradient in case of the background. Fine. So you can also add different kind of formats. First, let me just remove this, and then we will add one more: red, yellow, and then green. Okay, three shades I have used. You can also add three shades. See, three shades are available here. You can add as many color as you want, no issues with that, but you should understand the direction you want to use. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to CSS. Thank you so much.